Hello. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time right now while you are watching this video. In this video we are happy to share with you one of our specialties, the goat Kaldereta. This is our way of making this video as viewers friendly as possible so that our message can be fully understood by the majority, especially to our international viewers. So please continue watching. These are our ingredients. 1 whole goat meat. Red onions. Garlic. Bell pepper. Carrots. Potatoes. Mallorca. Sprite or 7-Up. Pork and beans, Kaldereta mix, Kaldereta sauce, green peas, tomato sauce, pineapple juice, pineapple slices, cooking oil, teobong or cassava starch, laurel leaf, soy sauce, rock salt, seasoning. First procedure. Wash the goat meat very well. For more practical home recipes, please check our cooking playlist here, at Cebucheapsite Home Cooking. Practical home recipe. After washing, cook the meat with its own liquid or moisture content. No need to add water. Once the goat meat is already tender, drain the excess water. If you like urban gardening contents, please check our gardening playlist here, at Cebucheapsite Urban Gardening. Second procedure. Reheat and put the Mallorca. Add Sprite or 7-Up. Cover and allow to boil. Add the first can of pineapple juice. Cover. Add the laurel leaf. Cover. Add the sliced carrots and potatoes. Cover. Mix well. Add the half of the pineapple slice. Once the carrots and potatoes are already tender, set aside. Third procedure. Preheat the oil and sauté the onion and garlic. Thank you for dropping by to our channel. If this is your first time to be here, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video. Add the bell pepper. Transfer the cooked goat meat including all the sauce and liquid content. Add the diluted Kaldereta mix. Mix thoroughly. Add the tomato sauce. Add the Kaldereta sauce. Mix thoroughly. Add the second can of pineapple juice. Put the pork and beans. Drain the liquid of the green peas and add. Add the soy sauce. Mix thoroughly. Add salt gradually until you come up with your desired taste. Mix well again so that the salt will be absorbed evenly. Mix thoroughly. Finally add the diluted teobong or cassava starch. Mix thoroughly. Add the remaining half of the pineapple slice. Done. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video by giving us a thumbs up, and share this video to your friends, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.